everybody. It's 7 o'clock and I'm in Birmingham. I'm gonna pick up, load up here in the morning, new core tubular. And how about I fixed that? So I think I fixed that leak at the house yesterday, behind the air compressor. So why don't you guys go with me and see with me if it works? All right, let's get out of here. I'm parked at a building that's up for lease. I parked here last time. Nobody said anything to me. Nobody said anything. So I'm parking here again. I just have to pick up around the block. Alright, let's take a look. Looks dry. Don't see any oil anywhere. Yeah, what do you think? So yesterday, when Ruthie and AJ went to church, or I don't know where they went. They went somewhere. So when they took off, the sun was off the truck. So I thought, well, the sun's off the truck. I'm not going to sweat to death. It's a good time to go drop that air compressor and clean that up, that area up. And I cleaned it. I tried to chip as much of it off as I could, and then I cleaned it with some starting fluid. And after I did that, I wasn't satisfied with it, so I went and got my torch and I torched all the metal to see if I can get all the oil to come to the surface. And it burned all the paint off, and I took a wire brush and some more starting fluid and cleaned it. I did that several times. And I took a pick and a putty knife and a knife and chipped away at it as best I could to get the old stuff off, and then cleaned it one final time, and mixed up the JB Weld and put it on there. And I think the JB Weld said it took 14 hours for it to cure. It was the original. And then it said it would actually take anywhere from 24 to 48 hours for it to fully cure. So I was kind of really concerned that it didn't cure enough. But hey man, I didn't see any oil anywhere. All I saw was nice clean paint. So we got some advertisement on the back of the truck now, and we don't have to worry about getting any oil on it. So this is where I'm going to spend my Sunday night. I'll get up early in the morning, brush my teeth, make some coffee, and get on over and get loaded. And you guys have a nice rest of your weekend. Hopefully you have a nice morning. God bless, peace, have fun, and later.